The energy transition in Spain and Portugal is backed by a solid framework of subsidies and support programs. These incentives facilitate the financing of PV plus BESS projects, making renewable energies more accessible. In this video, we will explore the most relevant programs in both countries and how to take advantage of them to boost your projects. Stay to discover the opportunities that await you. The Recovery, Transformation and Resilience Plan. It is financed by Next Generation EU funds and includes specific items for energy storage. The incentives covered are up to 40% of the cost for large-scale projects and up to 60% for industrial self-consumption. The Energy Storage Incentive Program, managed by Matico, it focuses on projects that integrate storage with solar generation in areas of high grid saturation. The Just Transition Funds. These are aimed at regions such as Aragon and Castilla-La Mancha, and seek to reconvert areas affected by the closure of mines to renewable models. The Energy Innovation Support Program, PRR, focused on grid modernization and industrial self-consumption. It covers up to 35% of the investment in large projects and 50% in self-consumption. Incentives for industrial decarbonization. Support companies that combine storage with renewable generation, improving energy efficiency. Support for energy communities. This is a pioneering initiative that encourages energy sharing and covers up to 60% of storage costs in rural regions. Spain prioritizes large projects in saturated regions, while Portugal focuses on community and self-consumption initiatives. Both countries offer incentives of 35% to 60%, depending on the type and location of the project. Spain channels funds into infrastructure, while Portugal prioritizes small businesses and communities. One example has been a project in Extremadura that obtained 50% financing thanks to the recovery plan, combining storage with solar energy. Some of my recommendations are: identify the program that best aligns with your project needs. Take advantage of European funds and national incentives to reduce upfront costs. Consider community projects in Portugal and large infrastructure projects in Spain. If you need help accessing these grants and maximizing the potential of your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your ideas a sustainable reality. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.